Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to talk to you again about hanging. So you might know that I'm a big fan of Dan John, and he's been talking a lot about hanging with his knees raised, and he says he likes to do this because, well, it strengthens his shoulders, but it also pulls traction on his spine and it tilts his pelvis. So it decompresses his spine and it's good for his shoulders basically. And man, I gotta tell you, I think Dan, I just don't know that he knows how smart he actually is. Like, this is a wonderful movement, not just because it strengthens your shoulders and your spine, but if you can hang out here and you can breathe down into your belly, what you're really doing is you're adding a load to your diaphragm. And so you're breathing underneath this reflexive tension, especially if you're able to breathe deep and fill your lungs up from the bottom to the top. And so what we're doing is we're strengthening our diaphragm, which is the captain of our inner core unit. So not only are we strengthening our diaphragm, but we're strengthening our pelvic floor, our transverse abdominis, multifidi. So we're making our center just very, very, very strong so that our bodies can produce force, power, and express strength. So again, this is a fantastic thing to do if you have a place to hang. And if you could just hang for 10 breaths, maybe 20 breaths or more, I think you would be pleasantly surprised that not only does it work your core, like your outer core muscle, yeah, it works your abs, but it really works those spinal stabilizers and gives you a very strong inner core unit. And it could be great for your pelvic floor and your diaphragm. So, Dan John, you're the man. All right, guys, give this a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.